Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, we are doing two looks from the Naked Reloaded palette. If you want to see this look and this look, then just hang out. You guys ready for Game of Thrones? Can't wait for that to come back. Okay, so for the first look, I want to stay more like bronzy. I already have my whole face on and I'm super bronzed and super highlighted and I'm very like glowy. The first color with a fluffy crease brush right in the crease is gonna be Boundaries. So I've really loaded up this brush and I want to take the color high up on this eyebrow. Almost a diagonal, kind of connecting the front of the brow to this outer corner. Yeah, makes sense? Did I tell you that I'm going to Ireland on vacation? I am so excited, I cannot even tell you. And I just found out recently that about an hour and a half-ish from where we're staying is the Game of Thrones set of Winterfell. What? Guess who's going to Winterfell, y'all? Me. With a pointier crease brush, I'm gonna go into Bucked and I'm gonna put this right in the outer corner. I kind of want to keep this look on the softer side because I think what we're gonna do in the next look is gonna be very much a lot. All right, now I'm just gonna dip into Endgame. That is the darkest tone right in the center, and I'm gonna tap that right only in this outer corner just to deepen this up. Honk at you. I think I'm just like gonna stay matte. Okay, so we're gonna dip into this color Bribe. We're gonna tap that right on the inner half of the eye. Go ahead into the inner corner. See how bright that is? I have not decided what to do on this lower lash line yet. Kind of just want to keep it, you know, pretty simple. Okay, so I think what we're gonna do with a flat definer brush, we're gonna stamp into this color Distilled, and we're gonna stamp right in this lower lash line. So this is not a matte. And we're only going to the iris. We're not going all the way across. Just for a little bit of definition, and we are using the shimmer, which is one of my favorite tricks, so you get the definition and color that you want, but the shimmer in it will diffuse the light so it's not too harsh. Okay, and then with a very small mini taper, this is a Luxie brush, I'm gonna dip into Boundaries, help to soften that. But I'm not gonna bring it down too hard. I'm not gonna bring down too far. That's it. That's like the easiest eye look in history. This would be like super easy for work, but this is like a very quick makeup. Very easy to wear, super daytime appropriate too because there's not really like any shimmer going on at all. So let me do this other eye and then we'll be right back. So I have put mascara on this eye and we're gonna put it on together today on this eye. What a treat. I never do my mascara on camera anymore because it's just not interesting. You guys don't want to see that, right? I'm gonna give it to you today. You're welcome. So on the bottom, we are using this Wet n Wild Skinny Mascara. I really like it. Got this teeny wand. You see how little it is? It's perfect for bottom lashes. Doing your entire eye with it is kind of like not a thing. That's not what this is for. But if you're somebody with sparse bottom lashes like me, this is really good, especially for like the first coat. I have a little bit of a Benefit Roller Lash for the top lashes. Holy booger. Good God, was that through the whole time? You guys gotta tell me these things. So like I said, I already put my face on today and I did a lot of like heavy bronzing, highlighting, all of that stuff. But now that I have my eyes on, I think I wanna pump up my blush just a little bit more. And today I'm using this Cover FX palette that came in the Boxy Luxe. So I have mixed together this blush color and this contour color just to kind of deepen it up because this is a little bubblegummy. For this look, it's just giving like, you know, like a warmer, less pinky, more like suntanny. Does that make sense? Goes without saying that I'm gonna list all of the products down in the description box. The foundation that I'm using today is one that I kind of struggle with. The finish is beautiful when you can get it to work, but I struggle so much with it. But I paired it today with a primer, the No Poreblem Touch and Soul primer that came in the BoxyCharm a couple months ago, and it's the key. It's the key to making it work perfect. So So for lips, I think I want them to be a little bit more pink. I had grabbed a couple different lip liners, one more brown tone and one a little bit more pink. I'm gonna go with the pinker one. Nice. So I just lined around the edges and then colored in a little bit. And then lipstick today is Dose of Colors. This is the Desi Katie collab. The color is Hey Girl. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, now let's set. So this is Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day. Okay, this look came together really quickly. So just to kind of recap, I stuck with all of matte shades except for a little bit on the bottom lash line, just for a little definition. And I'm working with like peaches and cream, tan, summer vibes. Now what I really want to do is I want to dig into these colors and I want to hit this like coral color, and I want to get in this like, I want to get crazy with lashes. Stick around. Let's do it. Okay, so first things first, for this next look, let me prep my lashes. So today I'm using these Baddington lashes. These came in a BoxyCharm a while ago. These are Monroe 3D soap lashes. I love these. They are beautiful. They go on so nice. So I started putting glue on my lashes and on my eyelid. If you didn't know that, I will link my video right here about false lashes and how I wear them. It makes them bulletproof. They will go nowhere. I don't ever have a problem with them lifting. I don't have a problem with them shifting, getting loose, any of that stuff. Like, they are on for the night. I went to a makeup class by Carl Ray. Carl Ray, if you didn't know, is Michelle Obama's personal makeup artist. He is super awesome and super kind. This is the trick that he uses too. So when he started doing that in the class, I was like, ha! Justified! And the other people in the class were like, what? It's gonna be dry. He's like, you'll see. You'll see. I want this to be a very strong look. It's gonna be not subtle, not something that you would wear to the grocery store. If you're a regular person, I would wear it. I have worn it to the grocery store. This is very similar to the look that I wore in the Unpopular Opinions video. If you came over here from that video collaboration that I did with Jamie and Kate, welcome. Thank you for hanging out. Thank you for sticking around. So first I'm going to start off with this coral tone, retro, and I'm going to place that right in the crease. When your eyeshadow goes up to your eyebrow, it really just kind of marries that whole look together and it just looks more cohesive, more sultry. And I'm gonna take this under the eye as well. Do I look diseased? Do I look like I have pink eye? Okay, once you look sufficiently diseased, grab a tapered pointed brush and we're gonna grab that darkest tone End Game. And let's dip right in this outer corner. Can never find the brush that I'm thinking about. I got a new brush in a BoxyCharm recently. I will use that one. This is a Luxie 213 eye shader brush. We are gonna go into this color Dreamweaver. It's a reflective brown, but it's got like a silver tone. So what I'm gonna do next is dip into Angel Fire, and then I'm gonna tap it right in the center of the lid. This will bring back that shine and give the eye a little bit more dimension. So I didn't bring Angel Fire all the way into the inner corner, not today. Now with a flat definer brush, I'm gonna dip into this color Burn, and we are stamping this in the lower lash line, and I want to bring it all the way across. So now with a tiny round, I want to dip into End Game just a teeny tiny bit, and then I want to help smoke out the bottom. So what I'm going for now is like a super kind of grungy, it's like almost like a 90s eye, connecting it up here in this outer corner where we had put that darker tone. So this is similar to the makeup that I wore for the Unpopular Opinions video, but different. This is a lot more dramatic. Now with a pencil brush, I'm just gonna wet it, go into Angel Fire, and we're gonna put that right in this inner corner. I wanna take a little bit more Angel Fire and really kind of pack it on that center part until it's almost as bright as the inner corner. Okay, so now what I want to do is what I normally do. So I'm going to replicate this eye over here, and I'm going to pop on lashes and mascara, and then we'll come back and do some last tweaks to the face. Eyes are done, lashes are on. You can see it's like definitely heavy on the coral vibe, definitely very dramatic and very smoky. But we do need some color on these lips. So we're gonna do that same combination from the first look with the Wet n Wild, pencil. Well, this pencil is like the exact same color as that eyeshadow. It's awesome. And then we're gonna go over it with Hey Girl from Dose of Colors. I think I want to use a little bit of gloss. So this is the Milani Luminoso Keep It Full Nourishing Limp Plumper Gloss. I said a little and then I put a lot. Okay, so that is another 2 looks 1 palette. I hope you liked it. If you did, then let me know in the comments down below. Let me know which palette you would like to see me do next. Thank you so much for hanging out today and for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you liked it, then let me know with a thumbs up down below. Don't forget to follow me on all of the other socials and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. I upload every Thursday. I have been uploading at Thursday at noon, but what do you guys think about maybe a little bit later in the afternoon? What do you think? Let me know what time you want to see. I guess I will catch you next week in the next video. Bye! I'm stumped. I should have had a plan before I sat down to film this. Did you get us beers? Did you get us beers? Okay. Can you hear me? Can you see me? Do I look orange? Yes. Diagonal. I could not think of that word. Let's take a selfie. If I just touch all the brushes, maybe one of them will call out to me. Use me, use me. I had to scratch my butt. Sorry. Was I recording? This is stupid. Preliminarily, that is far too big of a word to use in this makeup tutorial. What is this called? I cannot think today. Ugh.